Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Thorne and you're watching David's Videos. In the previous video I introduced you into the syntax used in CSS and also talked quickly about selectors. You can find a link to the previous video just here. In this video we're going to talk about the ID selector and how it works. The ID selector is exactly what it says. It takes the ID of the HTML element and you create a selector, a rule set for that one HTML element with that specific ID. So how do you create a rule set using an ID tag as a selector? Let's do it, shall we? Creating a rule set using an ID of an HTML element is exactly the same as using the tag name of the HTML element. All we have to do is change the H1 that we previously had to the ID of the HTML element. In this situation, we're going to have an H1 with the ID of heading. So let's change the H1 to heading. Please note that the heading ID is recognized with the hashtag or the pound sign. CSS will look at this one rule set and understand that it should only apply this rule set, this declaration block, to this element with this ID. Before I end this video, please make sure you like and subscribe and also tap that bell so you can get notified when I create new videos. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.